Application for an urgent piece of work. The principal, Government Primary School, Jhelum. Madam, I beg to say that I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I cannot come to school today. Kindly grant me leave for one day. Thanks are thanking you. Yours obediently, Aisha Naz, grade 2A, roll number 13, dated 15th August 2021. Or we can write date like August 15, 2021. So this is an application for an urgent piece of work, but while writing, we must follow the rules of writing application. So if we see here, the principal, after this there is comma, after the school name there is also comma, and after city name there is full stop. And when we will address to madam or sir, we will also add here comma, and in next line where we leave some space over here, and then we start from here and we finished it with full stop. And at the last we write here yours obediently, Aisha Naz, and about grade and roll number on the right hand, and we write date in the last line on the left hand. In the start, if we add 2 here, so we can add here, and but after 2 we will start the principal from here. We will write here 2 comma, and we will start the principal, school name and city name from here. The rest application will be the same. We also can write application in one more way. In this way we only move this part, shift this part from right to left like this. So I wrote here the principal, DPS, it's a school, Dan Public School, Lahore, or Dan Public School, Lahore. Sir, it is stated in last application I wrote here, I beg to say, and over here I changed it. It is stated that I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for one day only. Or we also can write kindly grant me leave for today. Thanks are thanking you. And yours obediently, Ahmed Ali, class name class 1B, roll number 1, and dated August 15, 2021. Or we also can write date like this, 15th August 2021. Or we also can write date 15/8/2021.